Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will demonstrate how to wire the model KPR2000 Keypad to a gate operator. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. For demonstration purposes, we will connect the KPR2000 to a model CSL24U gate operator. Disconnect all power to the KPR2000 and the gate operator. If applicable, remove the cover and disconnect batteries from DC-powered gate operators. You will need the following items: 18 to 24 gauge 4-conductor wire, connectors for splicing wires, a small screwdriver. Run the 4-conductor wire from the KPR2000 to the gate operator. Do not run low-voltage control wires through the same conduit with high-voltage lines. You'll be wiring the KPR2000 to a dry contact input on the gate operator and to the accessory power connector. For this demonstration, the dry contact input on the CSL24U is the exit terminal on the main control board. This input provides a soft open command that does not override external entrapment protection devices and does not reset alarm conditions. Your operator may be different, so be sure to confirm which input is a soft open input before wiring. The KPR2000 has a cable with 11 wires. Use the red, black, blue, and purple wires. Connect each of these 4 wires to the wires going to the gate operator. Make a note of the wire colors for each connection. Close the KPR2000 housing and secure with the included screw. At the gate operator, connect the blue and purple wires from the KPR2000 to the exit terminal on the CSL24U. Polarity is not important. Remove the terminal connector from the board, insert the wires, and tighten with a screwdriver. Then reconnect the terminal connector. Connect the red and black wires to the accessory power on terminal. Polarity is important. Connect red to positive and black to negative. Reconnect the gate operator batteries if applicable and replace the cover. Reconnect power to the gate operator. The gate operator will power the KPR2000. Follow the instructions in the KPR2000 instruction manual for programming and configuration. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Learn more about our access control solutions when you visit us on the web at liftmaster.com/accesscontrol.